Today I will be reviewing the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toner. This is 7% glycolic and is an AHA, which means it's an alpha hydroxy acid and is supposed to gently exfoliate the skin. Glycolic acids give the skin a mild exfoliation and is supposed to improve the skin's clarity, appearance, and texture. While exfoliating acids can result in quick, visible benefits, any acids like these should be used with caution. Certain acids don't mix well and can cause the skin to break out or even irritation. They also sometimes cause sensitivity. I do have oily combination and acne prone skin in the summer and dry skin the rest of the year, and I've used it on both. When I first started using this in the summer, it caused a skin purge where I broke out, but in time my skin looks so much more better and I noticed less breakouts. I do feel a slight tingle in certain sensitive areas on my face. I don't use this as an everyday toner, but just once a week as a treatment in the winter and once in 15 days in the summer. I have used the Pixi Glow Tonic before and done a review on that, and I do prefer the Pixi Glow Tonic over this. I find this to be a little too concentrated for my liking. I believe the Pixi Glow Tonic is 5% glycolic acid. I have sometimes when using this glycolic acid got a little sting here and there on my face, on my sensitive areas, but that's not a bad thing. But if you do get severe burning sensations or severe redness, I do think you have to stop using it immediately. I know a lot of people say that this can be a dupe for Pixi Glow, but I don't think so. You do get this in a 240 ml bottle, and I paid about £7 for this. I got mine at Cult Beauty, but I believe you can also get it in the US at Sephora, Feel Unique, Deciem websites, and I will also put a link to Amazon down in the description box. Deciem is a cruelty-free company, and I'm also going to add the ingredient list. Don't be afraid to use chemical exfoliants. It's actually very gentle and can make a world of a difference to your skin. Damp the cotton round and gently swipe it all over the face. These tend to work differently for every skin type, so find your routine. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you do like the new style of videos, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next. Bye!